Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your account is active and your plan includes mobile data. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and the SIM is seated correctly. A loose SIM disrupts service. Restart the phone now to clear transient software issues and immediately toggle mobile data off and on to force a reconnection. If you see an error message or no signal bars, note the exact text. This guides the next technical steps and speeds troubleshooting. Next, you dig into network settings because most persistent failures live here. First, verify the APN matches carrier values. If not, re-enter it exactly. Capitalization and punctuation matter. Once done, update carrier settings or install any system updates, then reset network settings if problems persist, which clears corrupt configs. Also switch network mode between 4G, 5G, and auto to test compatibility. If coverage is weak, move to an outdoor spot or different location to confirm it's not a local signal issue. Finally, you isolate hardware from carrier issues by testing another working SIM in your phone. If that SIM works, the issue is your account. Once done, contact your carrier to check provisioning, outages, or account blocks and request a refresh of your connection. If carrier support can't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes stubborn software corruption. Key troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, use a different phone with your SI.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.